everyone, welcome back to Sane Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 12th to the 16th of July 2021 on Monday. Nkunzi takes matters into his own hands and deals with Njeza. The future looks bleak for Nosipho, who has a hard time accepting her new reality, Mjondolo, and Nosipho runs off with all Njeza's money on Tuesday. When the community is ready to unleash its fury on Njeza and his crew, a knight in shining armor comes to their rescue. A new pastor is elected at KCC. Nosipho struggles with settling into her new home on Wednesday. Nosipho takes on the challenge of brewing his own alcohol. The church ladies prepares for Pastor Gwala's arrival. Njeza hates the penniless position Nosipho and Lily have put him in on Thursday. Pastor Gwala is welcomed into Pastor's house. Nosipho feels left out and alone. Njeza wants Lily to get off his case on Friday. A down and out Nosipho remembers that there are people out there that owes her money. People like Sbu. It's time to collect. Pastor Gwala and Zeketelo make an unexpected connection. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.